is the first junk journal that I made for my son Magnus. So far I've made four. I just made four of these little junk notebooks before he was born. And I filled them up and I'm undetermined now what I will, if I will make some more or if I will do something else. But I just thought I would do a little flip through here. To make this, I used a tutorial that I found here on YouTube, but I just stuck a bunch of papers together and then stitched them on the spine here. And my goal was to have a very chunky book, which you can see I have achieved. In some cases, there may be a little too chunky really for being practical, but I'm not sure that the point of this was really to be practical, so I am okay with how they've turned out. So this first one here has some things from my pregnancy and then up to when Magnus was born. This is a little something I made using Pixel Scrapper graphics. And a lot of these things are just things that I've had for a long time, so where they came from is anybody's guess. I've even gone against my usual style and done some journaling in this book, so that's something to be excited about. Stick my washi tape down a bit better here. This paper here I cut out using a template from Pixel Scrapper and my Silhouette Cameo. Little envelopes. Is there anything more fun than a super mini envelope? This was a baby card we received from someone, and this is a journal card from Pixel Scrapper I printed out. Perfect use of a top hat, in my opinion. This is also from Pixel Scrapper, as is this rainbow here. Making a journal like this means that when you actually come to stick the photos in, you've already done about half the work, because once you put together all the different pages and the different sizes, things come together a lot quicker than if you're just sitting down to something blank. So it's been easy to work on when I've had little chunks of time here and there. I also didn't worry too much about orders of photos, so you can see, like, here we're back to pregnancy photo. Here's when we discovered that he was a boy. So not taking anything too seriously in here, just having a good time. And that is the end of the first book.